In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create checkboxes in Google Forms. It's a simple process that will allow you to gather more detailed responses from your participants. So let's dive right in. First, the very step is to navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your browser, going to Google, and selecting Forms from the Apps section. Once you're there, you'll be ready to start creating your form. For our example, let's create a form we'll call Quiz 1. This will be the header of our form where we can structure our questions and options. Next, you'll need to type in the question you want to ask. For instance, let's use the question, which of the following is an Apple product? This sets up our form for a list of multiple choice options where participants can select more than one answer. Now, it's time to create the options of choices. Start by entering each option you want to provide. For our sample question, let's input the option MacBook as our first choice. Following that, add iPad as the second option. We continue with AirPods as the third option. Lastly, we'll add Galaxy as the fourth option, even though it's not an Apple product, to ensure the test provides an opportunity for critical thinking. Once your options are in place, it's time to switch the question type to checkboxes. To do this, locate the button that currently reads Multiple Choice. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Checkboxes. This allows your participants to select multiple answers, making it ideal for questions that may have more than one correct answer. After you have the checkboxes set, it's important to decide whether you want this question to be mandatory. To make it required, simply look for the toggle that says Required and click it. This ensures that your respondents must provide an answer before submitting the form, which can be helpful for collecting complete data. Finally, before you send out your form, it's always a good idea to preview it to ensure everything looks as you intended. Click the eye icon to see how the form will appear to others. This view will give you a sense of the flow and usability from the respondent's perspective and provide an opportunity to make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully added checkboxes to a Google form, creating a versatile tool for gathering nuanced responses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your form creation.